Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to gift skins in Fortnite. Alright, so let's begin with the video. Before you can send a gift in Fortnite, there are a couple of requirements you need to meet. The most important is enabling two-factor authentication, which adds an extra layer of security to your account and is required by Epic Games before you can start sending gifts. To enable to have a head over to store that Epic Games and make sure you signed in with your account. Next, click on your profile icon at the top right and go to your account settings. Look at the left side panel and select Password and Security here. Scroll down and follow the instructions to set it up using either an authentication app, SMS, or email. Once 2FA is enabled, your account will be secure, and you'll be eligible to start gifting. Another important condition is that your account level must be at least 2. You can easily check your account level by navigating to the Career tab in Fortnite. This is usually something most players achieve quickly, but it's good to double-check. Now that you're set up on your end, your friends also need to make sure they're ready to receive gifts. They must enable the Can Receive Gifts option in their settings. To do this, they should open the Settings menu in Fortnite, scroll through the available options and switch on Can Receive Gifts. Without this enabled, you won't be able to send them anything. Once you've ensured that both you and your friends meet these conditions, you can start gifting. Make sure you have enough V-Bucks in your account, as gifting requires V-Bucks. If your balance is low, you'll need to purchase more before proceeding. To give the skin or cosmetic item, open Fortnite and head to the item shop. Browse to the available skins and cosmetics and pick the one you want to give to your friend. Once you've selected the item, instead of purchasing it for yourself, click on the Gift to Friends option. You'll be taken to a screen where you can select which friend to send the gift to select your friend from the list. But remember, you can only send gifts to friends who have been in your friend list for at least 3 days. If you've just added them, you'll have to wait for 3 days before you can send them anything. Now, before you go, there are a couple of things to keep in mind. You can't gift items from your own locker. Meaning if you own a skin, you can't pass it on to someone else. Gifts can only be sent from the current Fortnite item shop, so make sure the item you want to send is available for purchase. Additionally, Fortnite limits the number of gifts you can send each day to 5, so choose your gifts wisely if you plan on sending multiple items. Another important note is that battle passes cannot be gifted using V-Bucks. If you want to gift a battle pass to a friend, you'll need to purchase it using a real money through the in-game gifting system, which is separate from gifting skins or other items. So that's basically how you can gift skins in Fortnite. So that's all for this video. Consider subscribing if you find it helpful, and I'll catch you in the next one. Thanks.